What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Funny story. So my buddies came down, and obviously I post my pickup truck on social media all the time, and they're all pumped up to see it because they haven't been down here to actually hear it because they're from New Jersey. We go to fire it up, Panda won't turn on. It'll crank and crank and crank. The fuel pump went out. Literally, this truck is testing me every little bit, and I love it because we're just going forward, putting more work into it, putting more parts into it. So I bought a 450 pump by Walbro. I would say maybe 6 months ago, maybe 9 months ago, maybe even a year. It wasn't that recent, or it wasn't that long ago. So ordered another pump. Amazon is quick, and we have a distribution center over here. So it says it's gonna be here today, and I ordered it 2 days ago. So it'll be here between 10 and 12, and it's I think 11 o'clock now. So we're gonna take the bed back off, slide it over, get the hat out, put a new pump in, go from there. Oh no, I thought that was gonna be Amazon, and it's not. Yo, this is some bullshit. So the best way to do the fuel pump if you are by yourself, I would say, is to undo all 6 bolts, take the tires off in the back, and shimmy the bed back. Things that are like an electrical plug, you also have to undo, but that would probably be the easiest way if you don't got any buddies to help you out right now. Yo, what I was just talking about, Amazon's here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited. So excited. Yo, we just got the pump, dude. Look how easy that was. Yo, thanks Amazon. Shout out to you guys, real MVP, because Panda can't hang, I guess. So what I ordered was a Walbro 450 pump. It's E85 compatible, and they're supposed to be really good, but maybe I just got a dud on my last one, and I don't remember where I bought it from. So we're gonna throw that one back in. Truck's already tuned for the 450 pump, so I don't have to worry about that. But if you guys plan on getting a 450 pump or a bigger fuel pump than what you have from factory, you're gonna need a tune, because if not, you'll be blowing a lot of fuel. Got the wheels off, and now we are gonna take off. There's 6 bolts. There's one over by a leaf spring. I think there's one here and then one in the back. I don't know what all this is. It looks like rubber. Can't tell what it's from though. Really have no idea. Well, the bed is now shimmied back, as you can see. It's nice and close to that. Not too close, so we got some room. But now we have enough room to access this. There's 2 plugs that need to come off here. These just get pinched and pulled off. Same thing with this. Have to hit this with a hammer, a little screwdriver to smack it down and around. This comes off, hat's gonna come out. We're gonna look at the pump and go from there. Fuel pump and the hat and everything off. I do have to undo these clips, and then I believe just do the pump. This should be it, and I should be able to put it back in. Set everything back in, and then try to prime it and see if it works. Cool, so I just went to the store. So this is an older Walbro 450 pump. I cut the end of the hose off right here, just so I can match it up, and went to the store and got a new hose and got new clamps. And the pump does sound different. It sounds a little bit louder. I just don't know if it's because, the bed's not over right now, but my keys. See? I'm going to, now that everything's back and hooked up, got all these clamps back in and all that is back to being secured, I am going to shimmy the bed back towards the cab, get it all aligned, put the tires back on, drop back down. Should be good to go. My strong woman help me move the bed back over and get it lined up nice and straight. And then now we gotta put some bolts in. And then we can put the wheels back on, and we can start beating the crap out of it again until the transmission breaks and the new one gets here. So that'll be good. So I got the bed back on, and the fuel pump and everything else is in, but fuel pump seems a little bit louder now. I don't know if I don't have a video of it, what it sounded like before, but it sounds way better now. For some reason it didn't want to turn with the headlights on, which is weird. Cool. Nice and red. Transmission fluid's leaking. Can't wait for the next transmission to get here. I'm gonna go beat the crap out of this thing again. See if we can't break it. So we recently just started doing this where you gotta crank it over and it doesn't want to crank over. So I went out and got a new battery because my old one was 4 or 5 years old. And then it won't crank over. Why? Like, all right, so I turn the headlights off. I don't know, guys. I don't know how this thing works. I just turn it on. I don't work on it. Well, I guess I'll figure that out later. Or something. I don't know. So, alright guys, I'm gonna cut it off there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.